Let's take a look at Google Translate, the interface for desktop. I'm using Google Chrome as my web browser, although it works well in any web browser. I'm also using my Google Plus account. You do not have to have a Google Plus account, although it does give you access to additional tools, which I will go into later. Now, let's look at the languages that Google Translate offers. As of July 2015, Google Translate offers 90 languages. There are a further 27 less widely spoken languages under development, such as Scots Gaelic, Pashto, Cherokee and Hawaiian. Any pair within the 90 languages can be translated. English is translated directly to any other language. However, other languages may use English as an intermediate language. For example, if I were to translate something like Spanish to German, Spanish would be translated first to English and then to German. And for less widely spoken languages, there may be an additional intermediate language. For example, Basque. Basque would be translated first to Spanish, then to English, and then to the other language, for example, German. Obviously, when you increase the number of intermediate languages, there is more likelihood for error. So let's see how we can input language. The first way to enter text is to type it here in the first language box. If you select Detect Language, Google Translate can automatically detect the language you are using, or you can simply choose the language you are entering. You also need to select the target language in the second box. All 90 languages are listed in both drop-down boxes. I will enter something simple. Hello, my name is Claire. Next, you can use the speech input tool. This is a handy tool when you have Google Translate downloaded on your phone and want to enter the language orally. Much in the same way you use speech to text, you need to practice using this feature for it to work well. Let's give it a try. Hello, my name is Claire. Let's try again. Hello, my name is Barbara. Yes, likes Barbara better than Claire. The third way to enter language is using the handwriting tool. This feature was developed for languages such as Chinese or Arabic, which use characters. In order to enter English, it's a little laborious. That's how it works. Now we've looked at how to enter language, let's look at some of the features of Google Translate. So I'm going to clear the text and enter a simple sentence. I get up early and go to bed late. I can click on parts of this sentence to analyze each word. I'll click on early. In the original language, in the left-hand column, I can see its phonetic spelling. I can listen to the word being pronounced.
Early.
I can see definitions of the word early, as well as synonyms and examples of early used within different sentences. And finally, other expressions using the word early. On the right-hand column, we can look at the translation of early, which has been translated into Spanish as temprano. We can see the frequency of this translation, as well as alternative translations and the frequencies of use, from common to uncommon and rare. We can highlight parts of the translated text and see it highlighted in the original sentence. We can listen to the translated text being spoken.
Me levanto temprano y me acuesto tarde.
If you are logged into your Google Plus account, you can select all and by clicking on the star, add it to your personal phrasebook. You can look at the phrasebook and see some of the words and phrases entered earlier. To save any word all you need to do is highlight it and click on the star. The best way to learn how Google Translate works is to play around with it and translate different types of texts. Head on over to video 2 to learn more about the interface.